Hi everybody, welcome to Matt's Cookhouse, where I share easy to cook recipes. Today I'll be sharing Paneer Butter Masala that is just as rich and creamy. To begin, take 200 grams of paneer, cut into bite-sized pieces. You can also fry the paneer, but I prefer the texture of the unfried ones. Heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan. Add in 2 tablespoons of butter. When the butter melts, add in 1 medium onion finely chopped and chopped green chilies and saute till the onions are translucent. Add in 1.5 tablespoons of garlic paste and 1.5 tablespoons of ginger paste and cook for a minute. Add in 1 cup fresh puree of 4 large tomatoes and 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. Saute till the tomatoes are cooked. Add in 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilies, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder jeera and 1 tablespoon of coriander powder dhania. Mix well. Add in half a cup of cream and mix well. Add in the paneer. Mix until they are well coated. Add in 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Mix. Cover it with a lid and simmer for a few minutes until you can see oil on the sides. Paneer butter masala is ready to serve. Garnish it with chopped coriander and serve it with lachha parathas or naan. For more such recipes, follow me at Matt's Cookhouse and be sure to like, share and subscribe.